I'm Jesse.
I'm Joua.
I'm Shoua.
Okay. And then, where are you guys from?
I'm 19 from Atwater, California.
I'm 17 from Merced, California.
You look older, but it's okay. I'm just kidding. Okay, what do you guys usually come to the New Year's for?
Some people say food, but I say to look for a boyfriend.
To come hang out with friends.
Husband.
No.
Yeah, but you're working.
Okay. And then,
I'm sorry, it's not my shirt.
okay. And then, what type of guys are you guys into?
Someone that will be able to help carry me, like classy.
I don't really have a particular guy type. If he loves me, then
Okay. Do they
You don't
have
know.
to be Hmong?
No, they don't.
No. Okay. Too bad, Hmong guys. Okay. And then, would you guys like to pop off or like pop off the bun?
I don't know.
Just like 要怎么宝宝的呢？那宝宝啊
wait.
Yeah, toss ball.
toss ball, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, would you guys like to toss?
Oh, did we want? Do we
Yeah,
want
do it
to?
right now, yeah.
Ah.
Let's do it. Okay. Stay over there.
Do you have a ball?
Yeah, I have a ball. Okay. I got you.
This is pretty cool.
This is okay, you guys ready? Okay, go. One hand only.
Okay.
One hand only. Okay, go. One hand only. Go. Okay, good job. Okay. This is fun? Yeah, it's pretty cool. The ball's pretty big, but it's okay. Okay, one last thing. Give me your best knee. Yeah. Your mom, you gotta do it.
Yay! See you later.
Good job. Okay, your turn.
Yay! See you later.
Okay, that was good. Thanks. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, nice meeting you guys. Why don't you guys see you guys at Merced New Year?
Yeah.